right, so let's go ahead and get the ball rolling here. All right. Okay, so what I'm going to like to do right now is show you how you can host your own private ChatGPT on your own home machine. You ain't gotta have nothing fancy. You ain't gotta have no big computer. You can do it on your laptop, on your desktop that you already have. Most likely, this might not be as fast as what you're thinking it should be or could be. So it's real simple. I'm gonna walk through the steps. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open up a terminal window on our Windows computer, which is probably what most of you have. If you have a Mac or a Linux machine, then that's great. Write me in the comments. Let me know. I'll give you instructions for it too. Right now, I'm gonna focus on Windows. So let's go ahead and open our terminal window. And we do that by going to the search bar and typing in TERMINAL. It'll say command prompt. Go ahead and hit enter. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to make a Windows subsystem inside of Linux. So basically kind of like a virtual machine that's going to run Linux inside of our Windows computer. All right, so at the command prompt, I want you to type WSL dash dash install. Okay. Now, when that happens, it's going to install it Ubuntu Ubuntu by default. So whenever that happens, you will enter a username and a password, and you will have a nice little colon there with a hashtag, squiggly mark, a send sign, I think that is actually called, and you will type in the next command. But before we do that, let's go get the command from the internet. So I'm going to minimize this, put it here. We're going to open up this, put it here. We're going to go to a website called Ollama, OLLAMA.com, and we're going to click on download, and we're going to click on Linux, and you're going to see it has a command here, a curl command. Copy the command, paste it right there into your Windows subsystem for Linux, and hit enter. Now it's going to install the Linux AM64 bundle for Windows subsystem for Linux or Ubuntu or Windows. Isn't that pretty cool? So you don't have to have anything special. So right now it's downloading. It's going to take a couple of minutes, not very long. And When it gets done, we will go to the next step. But while this is doing so, let me just show you what we're doing here. Okay. You see all these different models on this Olama website. We've got Llama 3.2, Llama 3.1, Gemma 2, Win 2.5, B 3.5. These are the parameters: 3.8 billion, zero point 0.5, 1.5. Now, the more of these parameters that you install, the slower your machine is going to run. So, like this Win 2.5, okay, um, models are pre-trained on Alibaba's latest large-scale data set, encompassing up to 18 trillion tokens. Okay, looks like I have installed Olama. Now, if you'll see right here where it says NVIDIA GPU detected, the Olama API is now available. There it is. Olama is running. And I'm going to check that by doing this. I'm going to say, right here, it gives me a 127, 127001 colon 113434. I'm going to copy that. We're going to paste it into here. And that right there is going to tell me right here, Olama is running. Okay, you see it? All right, so now we know Olama is running. And we're going to go ahead and close that window. Now we'll go to here and we'll find a model we want to use, and let's pick one. So let's go with Mistral, Mistral. So we'll go to our command prompt and we will type this: Olama run Mistral. Oops, if I spelled it correctly. And hit enter. Now it's going to pull a manifest and it's going to download some data. Bars are going to run across your screen. Mine's already done it, so let me do another one. So you can see what it looks like here. Yours is going to look like this when it gets done. Olama Run Mistral. It's going to pull a manifest and it's going to feed all these 4.1 gigabytes. It's going to download that. It's going to download these next four things. It's going to say verify and digest, writing manifest. It's going to say success. And it's going to give you a cursor, same way it did mine right here. It's going to say send a message. I'm going to type hello. And as you can tell, hello, how can I help you today? Is there a specific topic or question you'd like to discuss? Yes. I want to show the world how to run their own private AI at home for free. All right. Showing people how to get set up personal AI system at home for free can be an exciting educational project. Imagine that. Yeah. Now it's going on. You can see it. It's literally feeding me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps to doing so. Now, how about this one? Write me a 300 word article on this topic, please. All right. There it is. Now it's writing the article. Now I'm going to tell it to write it without it being plagiarized or all written upon it. Now write it again using all original content. There we go. What do you think? Stay tuned for the next one because I want to show you how to make this thing fine tuned just for you.